How to read your first story on Beelinguapp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. To start reading your first story on Beelinguapp, first of all, download and open up the Beelinguapp application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in or created an account. Once you're inside the home page, after choosing your native language and the language you want to learn, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Select the library option from the bottom of the screen and then, from the library section, select the categories or the difficulty levels. For your first story, pick a short beginner-friendly story, and once you do that, you'll come across this page. Tap the story to open it and click on Read. The story will then show both languages side by side. Tap the play button at the bottom right corner to hear the story read aloud in your learning language.
한국은 아시아에 있습니다.
Follow along and read at your own pace. And there you go. That is how you can easily read your first story on Beelinguapp. You can also adjust your reading by going to the top right corner and tapping on the little gear button with 3 horizontal menus in it. And from here, you can customize your text size, audio speed, and split option. So that's it. That is how you can easily read comfortably and practice listening to. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.